Baldovino Vlogs.
So we're here at Greenbelt right now, guys. Celebrate the birthday of my fan, Patrick. And guys, Greenbelt at night. Thank you. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, Melty Balongino Vlog. So tonight, bigla ang dinner kasi birthday ng isang tao dyan. Say hi! Samahan niyo kami guys! Say hi Kim! Geran, it's Patrick's birthday! Happy birthday! Yay! Greetings, greetings! Love, love, love! It's Patrick's birthday! We love you! Ano, nabusog ka ba, Pimpin? Ayan. Ikaw, birthday boy. Galit, galit yan. Ayan, galit yan. So, ayun na guys, yung mabilisang dinner namin. Birthday dinner for my son, Patrick. Happy birthday! Thank you and love you! Shout out pala sa lahat ng members and friends ko sa YouTube. Alam niyo na yun kung sino kayo. Salamat po. Sa lahat ng subscribers ko, thank you very much. Wala yung channel ko kung wala kayo. Maraming salamat.
Hi to the subscribers of Meldy's channel, Meldy Baldovino Vlog. Ang ganda ng content niya because it's about surviving cancer, being a fighter of cancer and surviving it. So let's fight the big C. So ayan subscribe kayo sa channel ni Meldy.
Support tayo kay Meldy. Support tayo, no? Sa dami ng mga sakit na cancer ngayon. We all need this. We need more information. And through Meldy and her guests, marami tayong matutulungan. Good luck sa'yo, ha?
That's healthy, It's a pleasure meeting you and always have faith, hope, and love. And subscribe din kayo sa channel namin, guys. Luis Babaw and Vlog and 15 Babaw's channel. Thank you. Bye. Ingat, Melody.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Melody Balbino Vlog. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Paulit-ulit. So yun guys, malapit na kaming matapos mag-dinner. Thank you guys. Please support my channel, Melody Balbino Vlog. Thank you guys.